So Libra, I hope you are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your no contact reading. This is for the month of October. And if you are in no contact, then this reading is for you. And please remember that this is a general reading. It will not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates with you and leave the rest for the others. Okay. Also, please check your placements before watching the reading. This is for Libra, Sun, Moon and Rising. Let's begin and let's see your partner's feelings and intentions for you. For those who are in no contact, Libra, what are your partner's feelings and intentions towards you? Also, please remember, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you may send me an email over on my personal email ID given in the description box below. Okay. All right. What are the feelings and intentions for you, your person's feelings and intentions for you, Libra? Let's see what are your person's feelings and intentions for you, Libra. Okay. So, your person is feeling lazy. They don't want to take any action. They are just waiting and watching. Okay, they are observing currently. They are very much in the observation mode. They're not ready to take any action, though they want to share things with you. They want to let you know about certain things. They have this in mind. They feel that you are the person that they can share things with, but their nature, their behavior, maybe they want to even share certain news with you. They also want to share their cup of love with you, but they're not taking any action. They're feeling lazy. I mean, why is it so? Let's figure it out. Let's clarify why are they feeling lazy. I feel that they are currently observing. They're in an observation mode. They are watching carefully as to what is happening and why is it happening. Why are they not? Why certain things have taken place between you two? They are currently thinking about all that and also taking their time out in the situation. Okay, that is what they feel towards you. Okay, somehow they also feel that you are also in that mode, that you are resting, you are relaxing, you are having a chill time. Okay, let's see. Let's clarify what is the laziness card here for. What is the laziness card here for Libra? What is the laziness card here for? Okay, so here the laziness card here is about this. So they basically want to take certain action towards you, or maybe they feel that they can gradually establish a relationship with you. They can come towards you gradually, but not at the moment. They are carefully observing you because they feel that you are quite blunt, straightforward, and you might reject them. You might not accept them back for whatever reason, for whatever has transpired between you two. They are scared and they see you as someone who is quite blunt and honest and very sharp cutting with their words. So they want a turn of events between you two, the situation to turn around in their favor so that they can come towards you. They are currently watching you from far. They are watching you from far. And their feeling is to come towards you. They want to make things correct or make things, there should be a change of cycle, change of events, change of situations around you. That is what they feel from inside. Okay, and very positive. They have the thought is quite positive, but they are scared to take any action as of now. Very scared. This person is like scared, and that's why they're not taking any action. Okay, that's why they're just sitting and watching you. Okay, they're having a chill time. You feel that they are having a chill time. They also feel that you are having a chill time. That is mutual, I feel, both the ends. You both have that feeling. Okay, let's see what are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, Libra. What are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, Libra? Let's see what are the actions that they are willing to take towards you. What are the actions that they are willing to take towards you, Libra? So they want to be, they want to come towards you in a playful, light-hearted energy. I told you they want to turn this event. They want to cut down the seriousness part. They feel that you're too blunt, you're too honest, you're too cutting, and that's why they are taking their time to come towards you. They want you to forget about whatever happened in the past, so that you can start afresh in a light-hearted energy, in a fun mood. from a friendship kind of state where you can have a lot of fun, banter and all that stuff. Okay, let's clarify this playfulness energy here. Libra, what is the playfulness energy here for? Let's clarify this. Let's clarify the playfulness energy here. Okay. What is the playfulness energy here for? Let's clarify this. Okay, so they are currently okay. So they are currently in a reflective mode. They want to be alone, like I told you, but gradually sneak their way towards you. They want to take a leap of faith towards you. They want to take a risk towards you for a new start, and for that they are building grounds. They are building grounds. They will come towards you gradually, and that is a very initial energy, like it's of energy of a page where they will just start with a normal hi hello as if nothing happened between you two. They will started on a very lighter note. Okay, so they are trying to sneak their way back towards you, but for now they are keeping themselves secluded. They're keeping themselves alone and observing you carefully so that you take them, so that at least you interact with them. They have to take that risk and they're willing to take it. They will be taking that risk towards you. They're willing to take that leap of faith towards you. Now let's see what are your feelings and intentions. What are your feelings and intentions towards your person, Libra? What are your feelings and intentions towards your person? What are your feelings and intentions towards your person? What are your feelings and intentions towards your person? Let's find out. Okay. So your feelings and intentions towards this person is you want to wait patiently. Again, I told you it was mutual. The first thing that came is laziness. They were observing you, having a chill time and something like that. I felt it intuitively that it is mutual. You are also taking your time out. You are being very patient. You want to see how things go between you two because of something that has happened in the past. Okay. Okay, let me clarify this patience card for you. What is the thing that you're being patient about? What is it that you're being patient about? Why is your feeling for them to be patient? I mean, you are exercising a lot of patience on their part because of certain things that has happened. So you want to take, I mean, though they, somehow I'm also getting that they frustrate you somehow. They irritate you. They, get on your nerves at times. So trying to deal with it patiently. That is your feeling towards them. You're trying to be as patient as possible. Your thoughts is that to be patient. Even if they come back or even if they try to talk to you, you will try to be as patient as you can towards them. So Libra, like I told you, you're getting that intuition from your side. You're getting that enlightenment from your side to create a balance in the situation because you have a lot of emotions for this person, and that's why you're being patient. You're being patient with this person to turn around to come back to you. You're getting that enlightenment, and you're also trying to create a balance with them. You want to have that balance anyhow, anyway, in any manner possible. So for that, you are ready to be as patient as you can and take your time as much as you can because you have the emotions and love for that person. So for you, I'm getting this love strongly from your end. They also find contentment in you. They also see you as someone who makes them happy, makes them very content. And for you, you are someone who has a lot of emotions for that person, a lot of love, mature love. Okay, mature love, stable love, and you want to keep that balance, and you're getting that enlightenment that you need to be patient with this person. They need their time. That is what you are feeling. Okay, let's see what is the guidance for you in this situation, Libra. What is the guidance for you in this situation? What is the guidance for you in this situation? What is the guidance for you in this situation? What is the guidance for you in this situation, Libra? What is the guidance for you in this situation? Okay, so guidance is you need to focus on the daily chores that you're doing. You need to focus on the ordinary. Keep doing the stuff that you're regularly doing. Keep yourself busy, keep yourself calm, and so that you do not unnecessarily overthink about anything, unnecessarily bother your mind, that you get influenced by other people around you. Maybe you are sharing your things with other people, you are telling them stories about what has happened in your personal life, taking advice from them. Okay, and that is also keeping you stuck, and you are forced to overthink about the situation. I see there are certain external influences that are creating certain scenarios in your life. So you, instead of talking to these people about what has happened and what has not happened, just try to do your daily routine stuff. Keep yourself busy. That is the advice for you. Let's clarify the guidance further. Okay, let's clarify the guidance further for you, Libra. Let's clarify the guidance further for you. So, okay. So like I just told you, you're feeling stuck because of confused because of external influences. I just told you that. And that's the reason you are even, being a little moody, broody, you know, too much into your head all the time. You're not even able to see their good side because of you are trying to be patient with them because something in you tells them that they want to come back and they might make things right between you two. But at the same time, there are external influences who are somehow misguiding you, or too much telling you too much about things, and that is making you overthink, making you feel stuck, making you confused about what to do next, what not to do next. And that's why you don't see any good around you. You are just avoiding the world altogether. I mean, you're just shutting yourself out from every good thing that is coming towards you. So you don't have to do all that. Just keep yourself busy. And if you want to get into a contact with this person, I see them coming towards you, but that will be in a very light-hearted manner, and that too, it will be on a very casual note. They won't address anything that has happened between you in the past. They will be like as if nothing happened. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this reading, Libra. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay happy. Thank you. Namaste.